Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change frame presets on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Camera Hub for your ELGATO, go to device and make sure that the input is ELGATO Facecam Pro. Now go over the frame, and here right at the bottom of those settings we have presets. Now we have 4 presets, we can choose between them. Let's go with A. As you guys can see, it's the default one. Now let's go with B, it's kinda zoomed in. Now go with C, and here we can go with D, as you guys can see. So that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.